kasunong game, pero try muna natin mag-add tayo na attributes. Baka mas gumaling pa tayo ng konti. Attributes. And then, yan. Dito tayo sa speed. Nagkakaroon ako ng problema sa speed eh. Okay, that is so mahal. Meron lang tayo 5,000. Try 2,000. 5,000. Okay, dalawa sa 3-point shot. Oh, sorry. Meron ako 5,518. Ang kailangan ko lang is 5,350. My God! Hindi kayo marunong mag-add. Yan. Ah, why? Why is that? Ulit. Sa speed tayo, sa speed. Speed. Okay lang. At least, meron nadagdag sa ating speed. Kailangan pala natin i-work yung stamina natin. Kaya next time. What is my grade na? Ano na? Rating pala. Ano na ang rating natin? 64! Diba? Oh, sige, one more game. One more game. Nanalo tayo. Dito tayo sa Denver.
Alright, so you got some downtime. What are you doing in 2K in the off-season?
Nako.
It's the 2K Sports pregame show.
Wait na ako.
Welcome to 2K Sports, everybody. I'm Ernie Johnson, sitting alongside the Big Diesel, Shaquille O'Neal, and the prop playing Kenny Smith.
Hey! Hey! Hey!
Tonight's broadcast.
Bilisan nyo!
Maybe it.
Let's go! Let's go! Let's go! Andiyan na! Ang MVP! 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 Ang MVP! Boom! Wala! MVP! Boom! Wala ulit! Bad trip! Isang masamang pangitain! Let's go! Sub na! Alam ko doon ko sali sa first five pero sub na! 2 minutes na naman! Dito! Wala ka siyang bantay! Diba? Amazing!
Amazing!
willing to go in there to the hoop like Drew Holiday.
Meron sana mga assist.
Confidence boost for the rest of the team.
Live assignment. Grabe naman yung bawas. Binabantay mo naman yung bola eh. Jokic. Yun lang. Woohoo! Woo! Nice one. Nice one. Boom! Pass to assist.
That shot was all about Holiday and his ability to see the floor and the open man.
And so it's Murray who brings the ball up for Denver and going against New Orleans.
Di pinsa. Di pinsa. Di pinsa. Matay tayo diyan. Di pinsa. Pasa sa magaling. Pasa sa magaling. Patay tayo dyan. Pura goal! Foul!
A different look for Denver. Martin's checked in for Porter. Malik Beasley comes in for Gary Harris. And Morris subbed in for Murray. The Pelicans also changed.
Lamang naman tayo eh. Ganyan din kanina eh.
Diallo comes in for Randall. And it's Ejuan Moore checking in for Williams. Barton outside.
Uy, 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 uy. Why? Di pwede yan, oy.
Beasley's got his first bucket of the game and he's on the board for 3.
Pasa sa magaling. Ipasa nyo sa magaling. O, di ba? Ipasa sa magaling.
Was a 5-star.
Ang galing-galing ay.
The thing is that he has not grown all that much since his time in high school, but certainly his game has.
To to the inside.
Oh, tip.
It's Beasley on the wing.
Whoop. Whoop. Yun lang. Piling mo shooter ka? Ipasa nyo sa magaling. Ipasa nyo sa magaling. Ipasa nyo sa magaling.
Holiday against Morris. Outside Holiday.
Ha! Yun lang.
Back of the rim.
Sorry. Kanina ka pa. Woohoo! Wala. Shot contest.
Solid defense from AI.
Ipasa mo sa magaling. Ipasa mo din eh. Ipasa mo dito.
Holiday, the pass to Diallo. He gets it up.
Wala.
Doesn't fall.
Eh, wala mong Joycey.
Nikola Jokic, second round pick, turned star in the league, talks about what the game means to him.
Shout out doon sa nanalo ng giveaway. Si, kalimutan ko pangalan, basta Gorgoles yan. Shout out sa'yo. At this point, hindi pa yata na-upload yung ano ko. Ay, hindi, na-upload na pala kasi pag lumabas na to. Pero itong sinushoot ko, hindi pa siya ina-upload. Yeah. Pero congratulations pa rin. Ang pangalan nun? Ano ba yan? Oy! Screen.
Reflected on the scores, all that trust showing up with the lead.
And now let's check out the lineup.
Hello, libre. Ganda ng...
So for New Orleans right now, Diallo out there with Johnson. There's AI. Then there's Jaleel Okafor.
Ay, patay tayo diyan. 6 na laang.
Three-point shooter as his career has gone on, much different than his early days in Utah.
Dito, libre.
Here's Okafor. Kept alive.
Walo ang lamang. Oy! Dalawa na ka! Sab! Naku, nawala tuloy. Half time tuloy.
Pelicans ahead, leading by 10.
Ni,
After halftime for the start of the third quarter.
So, almost 3 minutes din ako pinasok, which is good. Lamang pa rin kami. Lamang pa rin kami. Lamang pa rin kami. Sablay. Ipasa sa magaling. Ipasa sa magaling. Ipasa sa mas magaling. Sa mas magaling sabi. Mas magaling siya.
Taking advantage of the numbers, those are the kind of situations where they thrive.
An exciting team in Denver these days, and their fans are letting them know it.
They're starting to get fired up in Denver. The arena sold out 14 times last year.
Di ka pwede pumasok sa loob. Ako ang bantay mo. Umuwi na lang kayo. Wala kang kwenta, Harris. Wala kang kwenta. Ipasa sa magaling. Pasa mo sa magaling. Pasa mo dito! Pasa mo dito! Easy!
It looks like they left their defensive effort back in the locker room, guys. They just haven't had the
Oh,
same
ha? Ano? Ha? Oh, ha? Ipasa sa magaling. Pero walang magaling sa inyo. Kaya ipasa nyo na lang sa akin! Ay, yan lang ang pasa mo dito. Nandito yung magaling. Hindi pala. Minalas ang magaling. Paminsan lang naman. Good shot. Ipasa sa magaling. Ipasa sa magaling. Ipasa mo din eh. Dito. Wow! Wow! Wala. Bad rip.
Year-to-year improvement. He said the drive to the gym is where I find my peace, getting my mind prepared. I come with the mindset of getting better.
Ano ha? Whoa! Pak! Sayang. So palpal eh. Ipasa mo sa magaling.
And Holiday kicks to AI. To the inside.
Oh! Assist!
Just have a
Palpalin mo. Pa! Wala. Ipasa sa magaling. Ipasa sa magaling.
This is a joke. The lack of awareness
Pasa ng magaling. Pasa ng magaling.
so far behind. Like the tactics of defense,
Pinasahan ka ng magaling. Di mo ginalingan.
easy layup to the rim.
Nasaan na yung bantay ko?
Murray the pass. And 2 free throws coming up.
Ano, ha?
One to go with all
Paul laman.
Be aggressive in this league when you're close to the basket. This time it was Gary Harris, full throttle.
Ano yung sablay?
At their finest
Nakita yun.
at the free throw line tonight. 8 attempts, 8 makes. And the Nuggets with some changes. Mason Plumlee's checked in for Millsap. Martin comes in for
Aligid daw! O, ipasa mo na agad. Ipasa mo na, Dinay.
big group substitution here for New Orleans.
Woo! Hindi ko nangingin ng paso. Wow! Sayang.
For Julius Randle. Miller's checked in for Williams. And
Woo!
Moore's
Woo!
subbed in for
Woo!
Drew Holiday.
Dito, dito. Woo! Yun lang. I'm so sorry for personal fucking foul. Shit!
So making the most of their chances. He misses the free throw.
75, that's one widely
1 minute 34 seconds remaining sa fourth quarter. At lamang kami ng 7. Ito. Bilisan mo to, Mira.
So the Pelican 5 right
Yan.
now. Down low, it's Randall and Davis. Alfred Payton is out there with AI. And it's Williams in the small forward. Murray kicks to Jokic.
Wala yan. Sige, gawin mo, gawin mo.
Fourth
Hop!
quarter play and over
Aba, di
3.5
mo, di
minutes
ka
have
pwedeng
gone by.
maghawak ng bola sa akin. Ipapasa mo rin. Dito! Ipasa mo sa magaling! Nandito na ako!
sort of running through the paces as it appears it'll be a nice win
Ay,
here
iniwasan.
for New Orleans.
In the end, they had a better shooting percentage, and that's what made the difference. Sometimes, things go
No.
their way, the other team wasn't
Diba?
going
Hoy! Hindi, ipasa mo dito! Ipasa mo dito! Wala. Ang layo masyado.
Number 3.
They can chalk this one up, but these two teams will see plenty more.
Ang pangat ng pasa mo! Ang pangat ng pasa mo! Ang pangat ng pasa mo! Wow! Patay! Pip! Personal!
on full display here tonight.
Isa lang lang.
Great job getting
37
Paul
seconds.
Millsap checked in for Plumlee. New Orleans also making some changes. Diallo
Di ka
is checked in for
makakapasa.
Davis. Darius Miller
Di
comes
ka
in for
makakapasa.
Julius
Hindi
Randle.
ka makakapasa. 31 seconds na lang.
Pocket 6.
5 seconds ang shot clock. 2, 1, 0. Wala na! 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 Okay, meron kaming almost 24 seconds remaining. Sakto yan sa aming shot clock at hindi na mapupunta sa kanila ang bola. Unless, ipasa sa akin ang bola at ishoot ko agad. Ipasa sa magaling! Woohoo! Wala, patay. Hindi mo pa 3 points eh. Wala lang ako yung oras eh. Dito, dito, dito. Dito, dito. Dito, dito. Dito. Dito, taka.
Here's AI.
Wala.
In the win.
Ano? Okay, panalo na naman. So, kailangan ko lang talagang maglaro para makain ng pera, para makabili ng attributes. Para makasabay na tayo dun sa mga nag-online player kanina sa sa cage. Gusto kong talunin yung mga hinayo pala ayaw kumampi sa akin.